In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export financial data from Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or a finance professional, exporting financial data can be crucial for reporting and analysis. So let's dive straight into the process to make this task as simple and efficient as possible. First, ensure that you are logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is to select your organization from the dashboard. This step is essential because Xero allows you to manage multiple organizations from a single account, and you need to make sure you're accessing the right one. Next, on the top menu, you'll see various options. Click on Accounting and then select Reports from the dropdown. This will bring you to the section where all your financial performance data is stored and can be accessed in different report formats. Now it's time to choose the particular report or data type that you want to export. You might be looking at something like a profit and loss statement, or perhaps you need a cash flow report. Whichever it is, go ahead and select it. Once you have selected the report, you'll need to set the parameters that apply to your situation, such as the date range, account types, and any specific filters. This allows you to customize the report to suit your exact needs. After setting these parameters, make sure to click Update or Apply Filter to refresh the report view. This ensures that the data you're looking at is accurate and reflects the current filters you have applied. When you're satisfied with the report setup, look to the top right corner and you'll find the Export button. Click this and you'll be prompted with options for choosing your preferred file format. Xero gives you flexibility here, so depending on what you plan on doing with the data, select a format that suits you best. For example, if you need a static report, PDF might be the way to go. If you need the data for deeper analysis, CSV or XLS could be more appropriate. Once you've chosen your preferred format, the file will automatically begin downloading to your computer. It's quite straightforward from here. If you need to export more comprehensive data, you can access additional options by going to Settings, then Advanced Settings, and selecting Export Data. Here, you can choose specific data to download like contacts or invoices. Remember, you can choose between CSV or XLS depending on your needs before clicking Export. Finally, consider how you want to store or share this exported data. You might want to keep a backup in cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. Alternatively, you could directly share the data with your accountant or finance team to make the collaboration easier. And there you have it, an easy and effective way to export financial data from Xero. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process.